क्या कहते हैं, give me the definition of scientific definition of agriculture.
Agriculture in wider terms is the science and art of raising crops, rearing of livestock, fishing, and forestry.
Agriculture
In
means
wider
cultivation.
terms, agriculture is the science and art of raising crops, rearing of livestock, forestry, and fishing.
Okay,
Agriculture means cultivation of land. In wider terms, agriculture is the science and art of raising crops, rearing of livestock, forestry, and fishing.
very good. Now, next question from next paragraph. What is the importance of agriculture? I want 5 points from you.
The importance of agriculture are:
Agriculture provides
the
a
world
basic
still
livelihood.
depends on
It is a
agriculture
major
for its
occupation.
livelihood.
It
India is an
helps us to
agriculture
promote
country. India
international
is the
trade,
backbone of our
earn
country's
foreign
economic development.
exchange, remove
Agriculture not
poverty.
only
It
supplies the
creates
food
huge
to the people
market
but also creates
for
huge market for tractors, threshers, harvesters, fertilizers, pesticides, and other industrial products. It helps in providing employment, eradicating poverty, enhancing trade, etc.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I speak?
हाँ हाँ, अगर एक बच्चा बोल रहा हो तो दूसरा आप लोग भी चुप हो जाना. चलो बोलो बोलो.
Agriculture provides us livelihood. Agriculture provides us livelihood. It is a nature occupation. It helps us to promote international trade, earn foreign exchange, remove poverty, employment, enhancing trade. It creates a huge market for tractors, threshers, harvesters, fertilizers, pesticides, and other industrial products. It is the backbone of our country's economic development.
Ma'am, can Kritik?
यस बोल सकती हो. अभी और क्वेश्चन भी है. हाँ बोलो.
The importance of agriculture are: most of the population of the world still depend on agriculture for its livelihood. It is a major occupation of people in the developing countries of the world. India is in agriculture, so it is the backbone of our country economic development. Agriculture not only supplies food to the people, but also creates huge markets for tractors, threshers, harvesters, fertilizers, pesticides, and other industrial products. It helps in providing employment, eradicating poverty, enhancing trade, and earning foreign exchange. Uh, Agriculture also plays an important role in strengthening global relations by encouraging international trade of agricultural products.
Okay. Next, um, what are the physical factors which affect agriculture? Explain it.
Relief. Ma'am, the three physical factors are relief, climate, and soil.
Relief, climate,
Relief.
and
Mountainous
Three physical
soil.
factors are
mountainous regions, it becomes difficult
Means,
to use modern technology, whereas it is easier to use machines on plains. Also, the climate is highly sensitive to climate temperature and rainfall. For example, wheat is a crop of temperate regions, whereas rice grows well in tropical regions. Soil. Soil rich in minerals and organic matter is suitable for agriculture. Alluvial soil and black soils are the most fertile soil for agriculture.
The three factors are: relief. Plains are more suitable for agriculture than the highlands. Density of population is general high in plains. This helps in providing cheap labor and market for farm products. Climate. Agriculture is highly sensitive to climate variability. Each crop has its own requirement of temperature and rainfall. For example, wheat is a crop of temperate region and rice grows well in tropical region. Soil. Soil is rich in minerals and organic matter supports agriculture. Chemical composition or fertility of soil differs from place to place, which leads to variation in soil type.
Okay, good. Next.
The three physical factors of agriculture are relief. Plains are more suitable for agriculture than the mountains and plateaus. So density of population. So density of population live high in plains. This helps in providing cheap labor and market for farm products. It becomes easier to use modern equipment on the plains region, whereas it is difficult to use modern equipments or tractors or other agricultural material in topography. Second, climate. Each crop has its own climatic condition and temperature. Each crop has its own requirement of climate, temperature, and rainfall. For example, wheat is a crop of temperate region. Soil. Soil rich in minerals and organics matter supports agricultural. Chemical composition, fertility of soil differs from place to place, which leads to variation in soil types. Alluvial soil and black soil are the most fertile soil for agriculture.
The physical factors are first relief. Plains are more suitable for agriculture than the highlands. Density of population is generally high in plains. It helps in providing cheap labor and market for farm products. Climate. Agriculture is highly sensitive to climate variability. Uh, each crop has its own requirement of temperature and rainfall. For example, wheat is a crop of temperate region and rice grow well in tropical region. Soil rich in minerals and organic matter support agriculture. Uh, uh, each crop has its own requirement of soil. Alluvial soil and black soil are the most fertile soil for agriculture.
Okay. My next question is explain the economic factors which affect the agricultural production.
Size of land, size of land holdings. The size of land holdings affects the agricultural pattern of a region and the yield per hectare. In plain regions, the density of in plain regions, the small land holdings are generally not economical. Labor availability of labor has great influence on the cropping pattern. In some parts of India, seasonal unemployment still exists, whereas during sowing and harvesting period, there could be a shortage of laborers. Capital. Uh, Agricultural inputs like HYV seeds and fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, hiring laborers, mechanization require capital.
मैम मैम
Ma'am,
मैम मेरे नेम से कोई फेक आईडी बना कर आया है।
क्या
मैम मेरे नेम से कोई फेक आईडी बना कर आया है।
एक आयुष करके देखा जिसमें एडमिशन नंबर स्पेलिंग पूरा लिखा हुआ है। मैं कुछ
यस मैम
हाँ
यस मैम
हाँ फेक होगा। बेटर है कि आप निकल जाइए मीटिंग से। मुझे देखा है, मैंने एडमिट किया इस वजह से कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि यहाँ से देखूं कैसे सारे बच्चे का नाम। जितना देखना चाहती तो वो गायब हो जाता, इस वजह से निकला।
यस मैम।
हाँ बेटा देखिए।
हेलो। साइज ऑफ लैंड होल्डिंग।
सौम्या श्रेयसी का भी 3 नाम से आ रहा था। सौम्या देख लो, आपने जेन्युइनली आपने एडमिट हुआ है आप या फिर
मैम कुछ लगता है टेक्निकल ग्लिच होगा तो इसलिए 3 नाम से आ रहा होगा।
देखिए आपका कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा था और
साइज ऑफ लैंड होल्डिंग
मुझे आयुष पहले एडमिट हुआ।
हेलो।
हाँ बोलो आदित्य। क्या आदित्य, क्या बात है?
Size of land holding. मैम आंसर बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो।
Size of land holding. The size of farm affect the agriculture pattern and yield per unit hectare in densely populated area of the developed countries. The farm size generally small due to growing rural population. Small scale are mostly not economical due to size of land holding. Labor. The availability of labor has great influence of addition. In many parts of India, seasonal unemployment exists in rural areas, whereas during the period of sowing and harvesting, there could be shortage of labor. Capital. All agricultural inputs like the seeds and means of irrigation, pesticide and hiring labor. That's all.
Okay. Any other person?
The economic factors. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kritir. The economic factor of the agriculture are size of land holding. The size of farms affect the agricultural patterns and the yield in densely populated areas. The farm size is generally small due to growing rural population and the law of succession, which leads to fragmentation of land. The small fields are mostly not economical. Labor. The availability of labor has great influence in cropping pattern of a region. In many parts of India, seasonal unemployment exists in rural areas, whereas during the period of sowing and harvesting, there could be a shortage of labor. Capital. We need very high. There is a high need of capital because all agricultural products like the HY seeds that is means for irrigation, fertilizers, pesticides, hiding labors, etc.
Okay. My next question is, what is shifting agriculture and which type of agriculture is it?
Shifting agriculture is also known as slash and burn agriculture, in which farmers grow crops like tapioca, cassava, sweet potato, and maize. And after the cropping is done, they leave the land to regain its fertility. Ma'am, this is a kind of subsistence agriculture.
ओके नेक्स्ट। और जो लोग बोल रहे हैं उनके अलावा कोई बोलना चाहते हो तो बोल सकते हो। Those who are giving answers, beside them, if any other want to speak or reply, they can. बोलो, what is shifting agriculture and which type of agriculture is it?
Shifting agriculture is also called slash and burn agriculture. The soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned, and the cultivators move to a new plot. People cultivate the land with simple tools. Per hectare yield is low. People who follow shifting agriculture do not lead a settled life.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I, Kritir?
यश बोलना चाहता है, यश बोलो।
Ma'am, Kritir. Ma'am, can Kritir?
अच्छा, और कौन बोलोगे? सृष्टि बोलोगी? यश, ये क्या क्या दिखा रहे हो? कभी थंब, कभी पाम, कभी यश, मैं रिमूव कर दूंगी। यश,
मैम
फेक आईडी से कोई आया है ना?
यस मैम।
मैम वो भी फेक आईडी से था।
हाँ, दोनों ही? ये क्लास अब खत्म होने जा रहा
मैम और
है।
सारा मैम बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में भी आता है।
बोलो अब।
मैम वो वही आईडी था जिससे पहले किसी का फेक आईडी बना था।
बोलो अब सारा खत्म होने जा रहा है तो हम लोग ये सब नाटक कर रहे हैं। अब क्या, अब तो कुछ ही दिन के ये सारे तो रिवीजन भी खत्म ही हो जाएंगे, एग्जाम शुरू हो जाएंगे। ठीक। जो पूछ रही थी वो शिफ्टिंग एग्रीकल्चर हो गया। अब बोलो कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सबसिस्टेंस एग्रीकल्चर? गिव एग्जांपल।
Subsistence.
सपोज कि 1 मिनट कोई और बोलो, कोई और बोलो। शरण्या, शानवी, अनन्या सिंह, आयुष,
Subsistence agriculture.
से कोई बोलो।
Subsistence agriculture is the earliest type of farming which is carried out at
Kritil, wait, Kritil, wait. Rest of the people, Ananya Singh, Sanvi, Sharanya,
Repeat.
Ayush,
Repeat.
Arnavi, तनुष्का, तनुश्री, जो भी हैं उन लोग बोलिए।
Can I
What do you mean by subsistence agriculture? Give example.
Ma'am, can I speak with it?
type of agriculture, farmers grow wide range of crops based on the anticipated needs of their families or the community. Many farmers trade their access, crops, and livestock for buying required goods. Includes nomadic herding, shifting agriculture, and intensive subsistence agriculture.
Okay, next. Any other?
Subsistence agriculture is the earliest type of farming. It is carried out at a small scale by a farmer to grow food for personal or community consumption. In this type of agriculture, farmers grow crops based on anticipated need of their families or the communities. It includes subsistence agriculture includes nomadic herding, shifting agriculture, and intensive subsistence agriculture.
Okay. Next, I'm changing the question. What do you mean by nomadic herding and which type of agriculture is it?
People migrate along with
Nomadic
their animals
herding.
from one
People
place to
migrate
another
along
in
with their
search of fodder
animals
for their
from one
animals.
place to another in search of fodder for their animals. Generally, they rear cattle, sheep, goats, camels, and yaks for milk.
People
It
migrate.
is the subsistence agriculture.
People migrate along with their animals from one place to another in search of fodder for their animals is called nomadic herding. It is common in parts of Central and Western Asia, East and Southwest Africa, and Northern Eurasia. It is a type of subsistence agriculture.
Okay. Now, what is the?
People migrate along with
बोलो.
People migrate along with their animals from one place to another in search of food for their animals. They rear cattle, sheep, goats, camels, and yaks for milk, skin, meat, and wool. Bhutias and Gujars are the nomadic tribes of Himalayas.
Okay. Next question is, what is the difference between extensive and intensive farming? Extensive and intensive.
Intensive farming is done in less developed parts of the country. For example, India. It is done in densely populated regions, whereas extensive agriculture is done in sparsely populated regions. In intensive agriculture, multiple cropping is done, whereas in extensive agriculture, only one or two types of crops are grown. In intensive agriculture, the produce is meant for internal and local markets, whereas in extensive agriculture, the produce is meant for international markets. Proper storage facilities are required for extensive agriculture, but in intensive agriculture, proper storage facilities are not very essential.
Okay.
For example, it is carried in India, Japan, Korea, and extensive agriculture is carried out in USA, Russia, Canada.
Next,
मैं मानसिका.
बोलो.
Intensive agriculture practice in developing country and extensive agriculture practice in developed country.
Yes.
Intensive agriculture done in densely populated area, extensive agriculture done in sparsely populated area. In
Yes.
intensive agriculture, total production is less, and in extensive agriculture, total production is high. In intensive agriculture, per hectare yield is high, but in extensive agriculture, per hectare yield is low. In intensive agriculture, there is unskilled labor, and in extensive agriculture, there are skilled labor. In intensive agriculture, low capital investment is required. In extensive agriculture, high capital investment is required.
Right.
In intensive agriculture, marginal use of modern technology.
Yes.
In extensive agriculture, extensive use of advanced technology. Intensive agriculture, example, China, India, Japan, etc. Extensive agriculture, examples such as Australia, Russia, USA, etc.
Good, very good. Next, two nomadic tribes of Himalaya. Name two nomadic tribes of Himalaya.
Bhotiyas and Gujars.
Bhotiyas and Gujars.
Yes, and Gujarat.
And the nomadic tribes of Himalaya.
Now write short
Yes.
on plantation agriculture. 5 marks.
Plantation agriculture is carried out on estate level lands. Only one type of crop is grown for several years to gain profits. Plantation agriculture produces crops like rubber, tea, and coffee. In plantation agriculture, high capital investment is required, and in plantation agriculture, all the production is made inside the land.
Next, state level
Plantation.
गलत हो जाएगा. हाँ बोलो. सृष्टि
मैम पहला लाइन होगा plantation is a
Plantation
large
is
farm
a-
or state.
Plantation is a large farm or estate, usually in tropical or subtropical country, where crops are grown for sale in distant markets
जो है ना
rather than local consumption.
है, ये तुम्हारा STATE नहीं है, ये ESTATE है. ठीक है, इसका मतलब होता है लार्ज फार्म. तुमने वो वाले स्टेट को सोचकर जवाब दे दिया सृजा ने. ठीक है, चलो बोलो, जो बोल रही हो बोलो.
मैंने स्टेट ही कहा था.
स्टेट कहा था, ESTATE. अच्छा, लेकिन क्या
मैम मैंने
हाँ बोलो तो.
मैम स्टेट लेवल लैंड कह दिया था, इसलिए मैम हो गया.
मत बोलना. जनरली ग्रोज इन अ स्टेट और अ लार्ज फार्म. ठीक है, चलो लेवल करके मत बोलना. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट बोलो. जो बोल रही थी हम कौन शुरू की?
Plantation is a large farm or estate, usually in a tropical or subtropical country, where crops are grown for sale in distant markets rather than local consumption. Plantation agriculture is commonly practiced in hot and humid regions of the world. It includes crops like coffee, rubber, and tea.
ठीक है, जो भी लिखना पॉइंट वाइज लिखना. ठीक है, जिस भी आंसर को लिखना, चाहे वो डिफरेंशिएट हो, चाहे शॉर्ट नोट्स हो, या जो भी मांगा जाए वो पॉइंट्स वाइज लिखना. 2 पार्ट्स हो तो एक पार्ट के पॉइंट लिख देना, फिर पैरा चेंज करके दूसरे पार्ट लिखना. डेफिनेशन को आप नहीं लिख सकते हो पॉइंट वाइज. डेफिनेशन तो डेफिनेशन के जैसा ही लिखा जाएगा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट है नेम द लार्जेस्ट मिल्क प्रोड्यूसर.
इंडिया.
India.
लार्जेस्ट
India.
एक्सपोर्टर.
न्यूजीलैंड।
न्यूजीलैंड।
वेरी गुड,
न्यूजीलैंड।
ठीक है। अब बोलो, अब किसे वो फॉर्मूला याद है, क्या उसे रिवाइज करना होगा या फिर ज्योग्राफिकल रिक्वायरमेंट खुद ही बता पाओगे? बताओ, ज्योग्राफिकल रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ व्हीट बताओ। व्हीट
Ma'am, it needs 10 to 15 degrees Celsius temperature during sowing and 20 to 25 degrees Celsius while harvesting. Ma'am, it needs 75 to 100 centimeter rainfall, and it is a crop of temperate regions.
इट इज अ
Crop of temperate regions.
ओके, और ये इसमें ये लाइन जरूर बोलना कि हार्वेस्टिंग पीरियड शुड बी फ्रॉस्ट फ्री। हाँ हाँ, ये लाइन जरूर बोलना, ठीक है। चलो, ये हुआ। आप कोई राइस के ज्योग्राफिकल रिक्वायरमेंट बता दीजिए, कोई अलग बच्चा
temperature 24 degrees Celsius or above. Rainfall, rice flourish well in areas where rainfall is above 100 centimeter, or it requires alluvial, loamy and clay soil.
ओके, वेरी गुड, ठीक है। अच्छा, which type of soil is needed for growing cotton?
Black soil and alluvial soil.
Okay. Which what is the amount of rainfall needed by jute plants?
Ma'am, 25, ma'am, 150.
Above 150 degrees.
Above 150 centimeter.
50 centimeter, very good. ठीक है। अच्छा, नेम टू फाइबर क्रॉप्स, ये तो आप लोग को लिया ही है मैंने टेस्ट। फाइबर क्रॉप्स,
Cotton, jute.
Cotton, jute.
ओके। अब बोलो, व्हाट इज बायोटेक्नोलॉजी?
Genetically modified crops are introduced by introducing foreign genes from different species. Ma'am, under this, ma'am, repair of cells and tissues take place. Also, high yield varieties of seeds are introduced, and bioprocessing and engineering of cell and tissues.
ओके, इस सेकंड लास्ट पैरा में से ढेर सारे पॉइंट आपको निकल जाएंगे कि इन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप yield is high, they have better flavor, better color, more nutritional value, ठीक है। ये कई सारे पॉइंट आपके निकल जाएंगे। अच्छा, अब